Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. And as you can see, I am kind of barefaced because for me, once I am not wearing lipstick, no matter what else is on my face, I'm barefaced. So for this video today, we are going to do the lip swatches for Clove Hallow. You know, I have been rocking their lippies for a while now, and I've been, you know, just really living in them. So I want to do a swatch video that showcases the lip products that I have from them. I don't have all of them, but I have a few. I was gonna swatch them without a lip liner, but you guys know how I feel about lip liners. I love my lip liner because it just makes certain colors look better on, you know, our melanated skin tone. So then I was gonna only swatch them with a lip liner. Then I was like, that might mess up the true color of the product. So I was like, don't be lazy, Nadia, don't be lazy. So just for y'all, I'm gonna do the extra mile and swatch them without a lip liner and with a lip liner, so you can really see the difference of how the color really looks versus how it should look on beautiful brown melanated skin tones. Also, for those of you guys that are wondering, I know I get this question often, which lip liner do I use? Honestly, the reason why I don't necessarily show it is because I don't have a green beauty lip liner that works great for me yet. I'm on the hunt. I haven't found any, so if you guys have any recommendations, leave it in the comment section. But the one that I'm using, almost done, is just my NYX lip liner crayon, and this is in the color Espresso. So this is not green, but a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do, right? But when I do find that green one though, that one with the clean ingredients though, ooh, I will definitely make sure to share it with you guys. All right, let's get into the swatches. This is Cupcake without a lip liner. Girl, where you going? Where y'all go? Don't leave the, let me tell you something. Don't leave the house like this. I'm not endorsing this. I'm endorsing Cupcake, but not like this. This is Cupcake 2.0. This is the 2018 Cupcake. This is Cupcake with the brown lip liner, and yes, I approve this. I approve this Cupcake. So this is how I would wear Cupcake. It's a really, ooh, yes. Now you can't leave the house. Now you're ready to leave the house. This next color right here is Sugar Bear, and this is how Sugar Bear is looking on the lips without a lip liner. You can possibly get away with wearing Sugar Bear without a lip liner. It's not bad. You can get away with it. But for me and my household, for me and my lips household, I just prefer to wear a lip liner with Sugar Bear. So let's add it and I'll show you how that looks. This is Sugar Bear with the lip liner. It turned up, right? It turned up bad. It looked good. It looked good, man. It looked good. It looked good. It looked good. Sugar Bear is one of my favorites. It looked good. And I can't help saying it looked good. It looked good. This is Uptown without a lip liner. Honestly, I could wear it like this. I can wear it without a lip liner. It wouldn't kill me because it looked cute. It looked good without a lip liner. But if you want to take it to that next level, you want to turn it up a notch, you want to level up, let's add that lip liner. This is Uptown with a lip liner. I saw enough of leaving the O's. This right here, Uptown, I think was one of the first colors that I tried, and I fell in love since Uptown. This one is Napa. I don't have the actual bottle to show you because I got Napa as a sample, and I've been using it so much, so I just basically scraped the bottom of it to show you guys. So Napa is now done. I have to definitely order the full size, but I'm done now with it. I had to scrape to get the color to show you guys. I would say don't need a lip liner. I wish I had more to really get the pigmentation on my top lip because my top lip is darker than my bottom lip, but you know, you get the point, right? You get it? You get the point. This is Kaya Journey, no lip liner approved. Last color, this one is Fiesta. It is a spicy red color. To me, it's more of like an orange based red color. Really bright, not for the faint of heart, but you know what I said? I can handle it. This is Fiesta without a lip liner. I mean, to me, it can go either way. You can wear it without a lip liner. I'm gonna add a lip liner just to see how it would look, but I feel that I can confidently wear it without a lip liner, but it is really bright. I will admit though, this is the only color that gave me the most trouble. This is the only shade that gave me the most trouble. To me, this is like my third time wearing it, and each time it applies very patchy. Really hard to apply and very patchy. Can you see? Don't know if you can see it, but it applies patchy. But the color, once you get it applied, is very, very pretty, very bright. This is real summertime ready. It says August, July, maybe June, but definitely July and August. Maybe I got somebody barbecue. I'm gonna add a brown lip liner just because, you know, that's what I do. So you guys, I ended on a bad note. I tried adding the brown lip liner, and then when I pursed my lip together, it started to rub off the patchiness. I don't know what's going on with Fiesta. Fiesta is the only color that does this. It just flakes off. Come on, Fiesta, come on. You just, you know, yeah, you just crushed my high right about now. Fiesta just hurt my feelings. Because I was in a good mood. Y'all saw it. I was turned up. I was dancing. I was singing. I was just giving y'all everything. And Fiesta just messed up the whole, just killed the vibes. Alright, y'all. I am back. Fixed that whole situation because that was not cute at all. So as you guys can see, the rundown of all the products, of all the lip swatches. I've had them now for over a month. I've been wearing Clove Hallow, and I told you the only one I've had an issue with is Fiesta. Other than that, all the other products apply beautifully on my lips. They spread nice, they look beautiful. So I don't know, I don't know what's going on with Fiesta. It's just, it's not a Fiesta at all. It was not a Fiesta on my lip, I'm sorry. Either call it a siesta because it definitely was sleeping. Alright, what was I saying? The ingredients are pretty clean. I mean, you're not gonna get the cleanest because it has to have a matte formula. But for Green Beauty, the ingredients are pretty clean. I have no problem wearing them on my lips. It doesn't bother me. So it is Green Beauty, but it has to be matte. So you have to compromise a little bit. It's really comfortable, really light. It just feels like nothing on my lip, really light. But towards maybe like a few hours in, I don't know, a few hours in for me, I find that my lips start to feel dry. And I'm like tempted to wet my lips, like, you know, just put some chapstick on there. But through it all, they stay. You can eat with them. Well, if you eat something oily, then it'll definitely rub off. But you know, eat basic things with them, drink with them. They stay. They literally stay all day until you're ready to take them off. Make sure also that your lips are not crusty and dry before you apply them. Make sure your lips are nice and moisturized, nice and subtle, you know, nice and juicy. Please do a lip, what do they call it? A lip scrub if you have chapped or crusty lips before you apply them, because they will settle in the lines if you don't get your lips right before you apply them. You have to, you know, get the lips together and then apply them. And that goes for all or any liquid lipstick you wear or any matte lipstick you wear. Make sure your lips are on point before you apply them, or else you will be embarrassed in these streets. I warned y'all. Thank you for watching. Which color out of all the swatches was your favorite? Do you own any Clove Hallow? Which one did you not like? I doubt there was any that you didn't like, but just in case you did, let me know. Which one was your favorite? And that is all. Do you see yourself wearing Clove Hallow? Let me go because I have like 2 more videos to film, so I gotta get rid of all of this and start all over again. And it's what time? It's 8:30 in the morning and I've been up since 4, so energy on 100 right now. Anyway, too much rambling. Have a good day, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.